Hi Raja, please open your book and pay attention to my instructions. I follow to you that you are not attention to have listening the instructions. So I say to you, please pay attention to my instruction. It is very important for the exam. Others conversations. Hi mom, how are you? I am well. How are you, baby? I am well. When will you come to here for seeing and meeting you? I am waiting for you and I was very worried. I am confused for meeting you and seeing with you. Okay mom, I am same conditions but I have not time, so I am thinking that I have a time in durations the summer vacations, so please show a little waiting for me. Yes, I hope that I can do seeing and meeting you as early. Other conversations. It is the bananas. I am eating the bananas. It is very tasty. So I am finishing to my bananas and I am throwing into the peels of bananas. No, it is bad habit. Please, you are not throwing to the peel of bananas. Please, you keep it in the dustbins. You should be to the rules of the discipline. Others conversations. Through the columns of the system, daily like to ventilate my protest against unemployment is the great resistance that we should be inconvenienced in such a way for uncertain period. That reason is the hampers of the pupil's life and it is the social push, so we should be to stop for the attractions. The most of persons are attracted to the drug addictions and as a result they are approached to the face of the death. Hi mom, how are you? I am well. How are you? I am well. I am excited to meeting and seeing you. Please come to here. I am waiting for a long time. Okay mom, I want to sing and meeting you, so I have not time. I shall go to for meeting and seeing you for the summer vacations. Livings. I am waiting for this time.